Okay, we have some great specials for you guys in October, and the first is called Fun Size. Isn't this fun? So it includes our small perforated baking sheet, the small bond mat, and one of my personal favorites, the half flexi flat, okay? These guys are perfect for those small cooking jobs in those toaster ovens, RVs, you name it. Also included in this collection is the pastry bag instead of 4 tips, and our heat resistant spatula. You can whip up some really fun bite-sized ideas with this Fun Size kit, and you can, when you purchase this for $95, retail price is $116, you can add on the Mandarin Spice Jam for only $10, and this is normally $15, so that's a savings right there. So not only do we have a fun size, but we also have a bite-sized special for you guys this month, and so this includes our Silform fluted square mold, our fluted square cutters, and those items are only $75. And when you purchase those, you can add on a perforated baking sheet for only $30, and it's regular $35. So great little savings in that bite-sized bundle. Also, our food bundle this month are must tries, and I have to say these are my all-time favorite items. So we've got our herb pizza dough, we have our sweet basil olive oil blend, and we have our traditional dark balsamic. And when you purchase this, it's $32, retail price is $40, and you can add on the mini whisk for only $7. Think about all the great dressings toppings you're gonna whip up with this. It's gonna be a fabulous must-try food bundle.